everyone, my name is Andrea Spunul and I work as a physician at the Buchinger Wilhelmi Clinic in Überlingen. Today I would like to talk to you about 5 tips for a perfect fasting day. My first tip would be spend as much time in nature as possible and try to avoid the blue lights. As we all know, blue lights come mostly from our cell phones and also television use. So if you can, during your fasting period, try not to use them at all. If you must use it, try to reduce as much as possible. Another tip for a perfect fasting day would be to meditate and do some yoga in the morning. Many people, especially men, when I tell them to start meditation or yoga, they are already afraid of these elements because people nowadays believe that meditating or doing yoga is some kind of magic with putting our legs upon our heads. This is not the case. Both practices are a way of getting in touch with ourselves, connecting and calming our whole system. Another very good tip would be to do the liver pack in the afternoon. The liver pack helps us to calm down physically. It increases the detoxification processes in the body. And by doing it, we get a very beautiful afternoon rest. And we tank our energies to go on further throughout the day. Another tip during fasting would be to do physical activity. Here I would like to underline the fact that we are very different and everyone has different needs. Everyone does different kind of physical activities in our everyday life. So I encourage you during fasting to follow your body, your habits. My most important tip is to listen to your body. During fasting, there are a lot of changes happening in our system. Just be gentle with yourself and don't overdo it. I hope you liked this video. If you enjoyed it, leave us a like, a comment, and follow our channel. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.